Yes.
Okay, so when I go to my account.
Yeah, go to your account, SSH. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, so I enter the password.
Yeah.
It was really fast. The compile and the Monty was really fast that I couldn't think that it would be. Okay, so when I want to download the work file.
Okay, you want to download the whatever. All right, just suppose you want to download output .00. Okay, just assume.
Okay.
All right, you use that just as an example. So
because I want to try it.
Yeah, I know. I understand. Yeah.
As a file. Okay.
Oh, you want to download all the directory of the work, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. We can do this. Could you please open another window? All right. Open another window in Ubuntu. Yeah. Right click.
Okay.
Get another Ubuntu. Okay.
Okay. So you want me?
No. Do not do anything. Yeah. Do any. Please go to the directory you want to save. All right. Go to the directory.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Could you please enlarge your fonts? You can right click the site.
Right click.
Right click properties. Properties. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, to set to, I mean, to the font. Yeah. Maybe you can use a large or yeah.
What is the font? Okay.
Font. Yeah.
Okay.
You
so
can go 38, 36. Yeah. 36.
Okay. Okay. So
that's convenient. Okay.
5. I want it to be here.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. You can ls list your directory ls. Okay. So you have many things here. You have also have work here. You may need. This is really what you want. Maybe you can generate also. Yeah. Please generate another one. Maybe you can go from there.
Okay, so this is the file that I work on, test file.
Yeah, but
so I want to download the work file in the test file.
Okay, so could you go to up level a little? Yeah, go up one level up. Then you make a new directory.
Do you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah, you make a directory, for example, for yeah, whatever you like. Make a new directory. Yeah.
Okay, T1.
Yeah, you can say CD to T1, right? Your
okay.
CD T1.
Okay.
Yeah, your ls should be empty, right? Ls.
Yes.
Right. Good. So now you can do this. If may I ask for remote control request, please. Please give me. Yeah. Hopefully, right. So you can do this. SCPR, right? And type your name, your user. Yeah.
Okay.
And ads. Yeah. Yeah. Ads. .com. Okay. Wait a second. All right, just wait there. Yeah. Then you get column there, and let's go to making this a little bit smaller. So you will see, okay, your what you want is the work only, right? This
yes.
So you can, then it's simple like this. You just do this, and it will ask you your password. Yeah, please type your password.
Okay.
It's
The thing
simple as
is,
this.
I thought that when we upload, we use our account in our computer. And
you don't need.
when you want to download in our account, we use the internet account or the account in your computer. But
no matter
it's
your
very easy.
download. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Downloading and uploading are in our computer account.
Exactly. All from
okay, great.
Computer side. Yeah.
Now I can submit my work.
Now you can have your data and then do the analysis. Right? Yeah.
Thank you for your help,
you're welcome.
Doctor.
Yeah, that's why we need such sessions, so you can, this is very, very detailed. Right? Yeah,
yes, these details can cost you very much. It's been a week and my computer is really struggled to finish this one.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Any other questions from you? Or
no, that's my only question.
Okay, good. So is any other questions from others from the audience? You can stop sharing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. So any other questions from, for example, Muhammad, do you have any questions?
No, I'm good.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Have you guys started work on the project 3 already?
Absolutely not.
I tell you, I originally tried to make a project 3 more complicated, but later I feel almost the final season. I do not need to push too much. Yeah, so I just want you guys to do 1 point. All right, so 1 temperature, 1 pressure. In general, and you guys do a series points. Like you do multiple temperature, multiple pressure. You can have a whole range. Then you can judge what's the phase diagram. Right now, I just ask you guys to do 1 data points. So once you know how to do 1 data points, later you know how to do the rest. So
yes, sometimes the work is complicated by itself, doing it in 1 point and 1 pressure.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully you guys, if you have questions, just let me know. That's I always be here. And yeah, and since maybe a little bit later next week, we will discuss more about the research about the projects, not only this project in this week, this semester. We'll also talk about the projects for next semester, or for the whole. There's some courses you guys should register for the course. I think it is 6/19. So you guys will think more about that. All right. What do you need to contribute?
Doctor.
Yes.
Can we have a way to work with you in your projects?
For sure, I'm always at the back to support you guys. If anything you have questions, make me as a backup. All right. Maybe
no, I mean in your project with you. So we work with you.
Yeah, good. I really appreciate that. So currently in my group, I have 10 students. No, not 10 actually, including then I have 8 students. Even 3 of them are undergraduate. Yeah, they're doing research with me about some things. Recently, I'm very excited about the paper. Professor Slightly talked about in the last class. He mentioned that do some sense use some biomaterials, some polymers, etc. That's because recently I have a paper published. I may share you a little bit. So I will share you. I think if you guys are interested, we can develop it to a project. All right, let me sharing my screen. So okay. So you will see. So you will see recent publication. We just early this week, my paper being accepted is reduced plastic dilatancy in polymer glasses. I have already pasted it in my research gate, so you can find it here. Just for my own convenience in general, because sometimes I need to look at it. You will see this this polymer. All right, this polymer is also a glass. This is a glassy state. Right? This polymer have a long chain. So in general, it's more or less like a melt, called melts. So you will see is quite powerful to do such simulations. Use Lennard-Jones potentials. Where is it? So we use united atom model. That's coarse graining. It's a coarse graining. So you will see. I will give you the table. You will see. We talk the whole semester. We are talking about the Lennard-Jones potentials. Here.
Doctor.
Yeah.
I have a suggestion.
Yes, please.
If your research are very big that we cannot hold them in one semester, we could like split them as groups. So each group do a sub of your research.
Yeah. For myself, I really like such a sense. But from your side, all right. I hope you guys should, because my topic is more or less related to the academic. We do pure research. It's very, it's fundamental. I hope for you guys, you'll be eventually you need to do research in a company. It's good. It's good because you can have much better salary. In general, it's about double or triple, right, compared to the academic, right? So I hope all of you can find a good job in R&D, right, in R&D department of a big company like Aramco, etc. So you can work there, have good pay, had a good facilities. You guys have supercomputer, even better than the school. Then you can have a very practical projects. So what's the company need? What's the real project? The particular issue. Please find out. In the academic side, from my side, I can provide the method. Right? We have a lot of method. So please use this method to solve real problems. That's the main goal of this, this master program or concentrations. So you can have learned from academic the method, then solve real issues. Let's give just the best advantage, right? So, okay, if you have no other choice, I will discuss with you how to do such very basic simulations, modelings, etc. But
I got your point.
First choice, please go to the company to find your ideal job. Then you even make connections with them, and with your efforts and your education, eventually you will be accepted there. You have a good life, yeah, and a good career.
I got your point. I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm not thinking about myself. I hope you have a better positions and something. That's I encourage you guys to contact whatever, I mean, inside or outside of kingdom, right? You can go to other, you know, outside of the kingdom. You can also looking for the opportunities in other companies, other countries. We can still make the collaborations. Our side in the academic KPM can provide you to, you know, give your support, technical support. And then you'll find your whatever you or the company are interested. Yeah, I was told that you know, some of them are already very interested about the carbon dioxide, these things. You may develop some other. My also ongoing project is the desalination. You know, I mean, how to get rid of the sodium chloride away from the seawater, right? I mean, purify seawaters. The waters, they have the these ions inside. If we passed a small hole, this hole in nanometers, then the only water can go through, but the ions, no matter what kind of ions, they'll be left behind. In this way, this called the membranes, right? To have pure waters, desalination. So this on my ongoing project. So if you can find a company, they're also interested about this technology or etc. So okay, then you will find something there, and then we can provide the code, right? You can practice and do the simulations, etc. This one. Another is hydrogen absorption, right? We already done from our project, we do the carbon dioxide. So what is the hydrogen? Or maybe you're working with a company who is working on the gas sensors. So not only the carbon dioxide, you may want to absorb other poison gases, right? You may say, okay, we can maybe have build up very sensitive materials, you know, to check or you know, to test the concentrations, etc. of these gases. Also the molecules, right? You have some molecules from human body, you know, from blood. You waste. Okay, what if we let the blood go through a surface or a kind of material? This material can select and react with particular biomaterials. Then we can have also such kind of sensors, etc. So it's very, these are also open questions. You guys can think more, right? Please design, ask yourself, which company I'm really interested. Maybe you can list 1, 2, 3. Then you contact them, approaching them in order to see which one also are interested at you. And then we can bring up a good project. Yeah, that's the way. From my side, yeah, if you go to my web page, you will see I have been working on quite a lot of directions. I think over 10, more than 10 directions. You can find some of them maybe interest to you or interest to the company you're trying to do. This one, we already developed the method. We have the tools, we have the softwares. So you just learn a little bit and then adopt it. You also eventually, if you need additional coding, then you learn how to do the coding. And you also need to learn how to model, right? From the experiment, the company, they want something. Then you need to do the model, right? You need to, what's the essential factors? So that's something you do the model. Then make the, a complex question to a simple model, to a simple ones, right? So that's something you guys need to think about. Yeah, thanks for your question. So I come up a little bit not organized. Hopefully it will be useful.
Doctor, can you let me in? I'm gonna use my laptop instead of the tablet.
Yes, please. Is someone in the waiting room? Sorry. Okay, there's someone. 2 of them. Sorry. Yeah, I think you should be logged in. Yes. I have another question. For the Python, I think we have 9 chapters in the Python for the tutorial. Do you need me to go through it? I have I think 2 or 3 already, but I think they are really very basic. Maybe it's kind of waste time to just go through. Well, I just want your guys' opinion. If you're later you want me to go through these tutorials with you guys together, I can spend time with you. How do you think?
Yeah, I think if we can go over the rest of the slides and the tutorial, it'd be helpful. Maybe there is something small that we miss, but then we get lost.
Okay. Yes. Okay. In general, I make a promise that each week this time I'll be available. So anytime if even some kind of coding, we can do it together, right? Because personally for myself, I do extensive coding, right? I write my own software package. I have a large package by myself. So I have some experience with that. So if you guys have such questions, I think I can be some help. Yeah. Also, previously we use a lot of coding using Fortran 90, but later Python is more popular. It's convenient. So I hope all of you can learn Python well. Not just know it. I hope all of you to be an expert. It's more or less like you're using English. You're talking with, use English, you can talk with other people like me, right? Like a Chinese. Then if you learn the Python, you can talk with what? Talk with computers. Yeah, you have, that's another big group, right? Yeah, you think you're talking with computers. You can ask computers to do this, to do that. That will be more helpful. Yeah, that's something. Yeah. Other questions so far? Just wondering. So in this way, we can have more smartly use the time. Yeah. No. So as the Professor Slidey mentioned that we can use coarse graining method for Monte Carlo, for molecular dynamics simulations, even for Brownian motion, even for Langevin dynamics. We can use that's be more safe. Save a lot of computing times, etc. As I just mentioned in my recent paper, we take carbon, CH3. So it's carbon and 3 hydrogen. That's called a methane. A methane group. Methane should have 4, but once you're, most one have one free bond, then you have CH3. Sometimes you may have CH2. So we are, instead of consider all 4 atoms, right now you only consider the 1 atom. We call the united atom. So united atom actually is a coarse graining, right? So this one you can think is as a group. This group will be all together always. So sometimes you have CH2, sometimes you have CH3. There's 2 kinds of groups. And you can take them as as one grain, then connect them together. Then you do the regular simulations like Monte Carlo or molecular dynamic simulations. Yeah, in the summer, I think in the next summer, you guys will do the multi-scale modeling with me. That's a course. So we will learn how to combine the different scales, different method together. That's another opportunity. You guys will learn more. So I hope
it next semester.
For the next semester, you will do two things, right? Two things for coding. One is AI, machine learning, right? Machine learning. And you will do atomic simulations, atomistic simulations. That will cover molecular dynamic simulations, also first principle calculations. You may have a little bit others, like, you know, you may have tight binding or other like coarse graining, mesoscale. There's some, say.
So you guys switched in the plan. Because and before I saw on the website, we'll take machine learning over the summer. So you switched the machine learning instead of the multi-scale.
Wait a second, it's changed the plan. I think machine learning is in the next semester. It's not in the summer.
I don't know. I think.
Could you please share the screen? Could you please share the screen, because that's very crucial.
Yeah, let me pull it out first. Just give me a second.
Yeah, because I just report to the registration. That will be a big. Yeah, please share your screen. Let's see.
Yeah, let me just find the computation materials. Oh no, not this one. Wait, how can I? Okay, where is share? How do I share? I don't see the. Oh yeah, okay, share the screen.
Yeah, you have the option.
Yeah, can you see it?
Okay, I saw your screen.
So yeah, here's Master of Computational Material and Modeling.
Yes.
And it says Advanced Machine Learning for Materials over the summer. Here.
Oh, so what's semester 2? Atomic simulation, physical chemistry, multi-scale material and design. Wow.
But this is also outdated because we're taking physical chemistry this semester and we're gonna take thermodynamics materials second semester.
Okay, could you please send me the link in the chatting zone so I can?
Yeah.
Okay, I will make such changes ASAP. Yeah, otherwise it will be.
Okay.
So actually one of the courses we already taken this semester, right? So thermodynamics, I think that one we already taken this semester. Yeah, I get it. Okay.
No, we're gonna take thermodynamics materials next semester.
Wait one second. Yeah, physical chemistry. Yeah, that's physical chemistry. Okay. Yeah, I need to report it to the graduate office to correct that. Yeah. Thank you for this. It's very important. Yeah, very important. Otherwise, you all will be getting confused. But machine learning will be next semester, and multi-scale modeling will be in the summer. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, let's see.
Right. You'll be teaching us the machine learning class.
Machine learning, we are taught by another professor from electrical engineering. He is good. Yeah, he's good. I will more or less, I will do something for more or less like to handle your guys' project. Yeah. So I will handle the project, but I will not I will not teach the machine learning. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will write to the chairman immediately after this session. This a critical issue. Right. By the way, have you guys already reserved your seat in the next semester's courses in the registration side? No?
No, we didn't get any notification.
Okay, okay. So maybe, yeah, still have time. Yeah, maybe it should be maybe couple of weeks later. Let's work out this confusing parts so we can have, yeah, right? Yeah. You guys have other questions? Thank you. I really appreciate your finding this confusing message, confusing informations. I will make this record. And I will ask the school to update that part. Yeah. First of all, I want to make sure all of you have the access to the workstation, because eventually, not only for your project, also you may later you want to do other things. You can still use the workstation as a working horse. You can use that. I hope you guys can take it as an advantage. Yep. So, Faris, do you have any questions?
No questions, Doctor. I'm just here to see my classmate question.
Okay, no questions. That's good. All right. So I hope you guys can start working on the tutorial 7 and look at these materials in this weekend. If you have other questions, you can email me or just discuss in the Telegram. Okay.
Doctor?
Yes, please.
For the last project, we will need to follow the slide steps, right? It shows the detailed steps, right?
Yes, in general, you should follow the slides. You know, you need to use the assigned parameters, right? The parameters, you have the Newton-Jones potential, your sigma delta, right? You use that. The mass, the no change, that's all 1. Then you do one calculation in, in one temperature and pressure, right? Temperature and pressure. Sometimes you have a little bit of difference. Right? The temperature, the tutorial gives, the tutorials gives 0.1. Yeah, 0.1. In our calculations, we just give the 0.1, 0.2, right? Then pressure, the tutorial gives 0. And I ask you guys to a little bit, maybe one of you assigned 0.1, one of you 0.2. So that's small variations. As I just mentioned, in one project, in big project, you will do many points. Like in project 2, we do 50, right? At least 50 data points. But here we only do 1 point. There's 1 T and 1 pressure. This 1 point. In general, you should do many, so you can have the phase diagram, at which temperature, which pressure. Trying to reduce your guys' loading of the work. As I said, once you know how to do 1 point, later if you go to the company to do the real project, you can do multiple points. Then you can draw the phase diagram.
Yeah, okay, I got it. But the file itself, of course, we will do the simulation in your computer. So how large the file will be so that we can download it and analyze it?
Okay, I tell you, for the longest one, the one you will see the round 3. All right, the step 2 and A, you will see that one. It's my testing of many times. It's about 2 hours and a half. Right. So that run, it will take 2 hours and a half. For the others, is for the step 1. I have 2 calculations, right? This calculation is just a few seconds, just 5 or 8 seconds. So eventually you just wait, just few seconds is finished. Right. The step 2, 2A, it will take 2 hours and a half. For the second, that's transition matrix method. It's only take about 20 minutes. I think maybe less than that. Yeah, maybe around 15 minutes. So very soon you will get results and you can download. For the step 3, for the step 3, you will take also around 2 hours. So eventually you submit the job, then you can come back, re-log in to the workstation to see, right? About so at most 3 hours. If you come back, it will be ready for sure.
Okay, great, Doctor. Thank you.
Yeah. You just know your estimation, how long you should wait. Yeah. For your computers, for your notebook, it may take about 10 hours. Yeah. So you need to also keep that in mind. If you say I'd like to go to sleep, then you can run it in your notebook. But sometimes you need to keep a fan for that. Otherwise, your computer, your notebook will running for many hours. It will burn, right? It's too hot.
I have liquid cooling, so yeah.
Cool. That's really cool. Really cool. Yeah. Yeah. So you guys will eventually build up such experience. How soon it will take, etc. Yeah. Any other questions from your side? Abdullah, do you have additional questions? I saw that you guys have started working on that, and then you have many questions. Okay, I've not prepared the tutorial for Python. Next time, all right, next time I will be have prepared a tutorial for Python. Then we can, if you need, we can start from there. Yeah.
Just because we didn't start, we don't have questions. We have a test on Sunday.
Okay.
So probably we'll be busy studying.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Same with concentration. We have tests also.
Yeah, it's understandable. Yeah. If you do not have questions, we may close this session for now. And if you have questions next time, we can extend for the next session. All right.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. So you guys,
That's great.
Yeah, prepared for for the for your homeworks, etc. And have a good weekend. All right, have a rest.
Thank you, Dr. Wing. There is no rest.
No rest. Okay, all right. That's the students sometimes. Yeah. Okay. I really, I mean,
That's the definition of finishing the master.
Yeah, just keep running, right? Keep running. This one,
yes.
Then next one due. Yeah, even for the summer, no, for the winter break, I find it's only about 2 weeks. Oh my, so, we have the winter break around the end of the year, right? December 31st, I think. Then, okay, we start next semester about 2 weeks. Oh, it's so fast. No break. Yeah. You guys already got the notice that we for next semester we will continue the courses online, right? Yeah.
We didn't get anything.
Okay.
This is new news now from you.
Yeah. Okay. I got informed that the next semester we will continue the courses online because COVID-19 still in a bad situation. So,
Doctor, because we are now continuing and studying online. Does this have an effect on the price of the course, the fine of the course?
What's your question? Because the online course, everyone will
yes,
learn.
I thought that for the first semester or a part of it, we will this is what I understand before I joined, that for the first semester or part of it will be online. And the second semester, they will think of it, and they were very serious that they are very close to having us in the classes. So I thought the price would be reasonable, 20,000 per semester. But now that everything is online,
everything goes crazy. Think about the United States, there are still daily, how many? About 200,000, something is unbelievable. Yeah. But
yes, but
in our
will
kingdom,
it be?
Yeah, but they still have, if we release
Yes.
with the contact, so eventually we will, explore. That's bad consequence. Yeah.
Yes, but will the price be reduced of the course? So we have not to pay 20,000 for the next semester, because the main goal or the main thing in the course that it's to attend, but due to the pandemic at the start of the course, we will start online, but we will move to be on classes and face to face. But we are not facing that, so I thought that we will have an exception of changing the prices and reducing them.
Yeah, I think I will reflect such issues. They may I will reflect that we may reduce the, we may need to give some discount or compensate. Hopefully, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good idea, sure.
Yes, this would be great, because now, yes, we are only on online and we are paying this much. So,
right. Yeah. It's a better time for almost everyone. So we should reduce the tuitions. We may have some discounts, etc. Yeah, let's see. I will reflect such question to the graduate school, and hopefully they have something. They have.
Hopefully, thank you, Dr.
Policies. Yeah. Hopefully, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. All right. Thank you all for your attention, and a good weekend. We should stop this session today. Thanks again.
Thank you, Dr. Bye.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, bye-bye.